That's heaven. That is so good. Wait, that smells expensive. If this smells like coffee, I'm going to be deceased. Oh my God. Oh my God. That smells insane. Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Lush Kitchen subscription box unboxing. You guys know the drill by now, but if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I basically get these every month. I absolutely love Lush. I'm obsessed. So the Lush Kitchen subscription box comes to my door once a month with so many exciting products and I cannot wait to dive into November's. I have seen a couple spoilers, which is so annoying. My own fault. I scroll on Instagram and TikTok far too much for my own good. However, I am so excited because I haven't seen everything. So we are going to dive right in. I am so excited and I cannot wait. But also before I begin, actually, I just want to say I did ever so kindly get sent the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for November, which is already up on my channel. Make sure you go and have a look. That month's box, incredible. I got it when I was really ill and honestly it made me feel so much better. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. But let's dive into the Lush Kitchen subscription box for November. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So before I dive into the unboxing, I do just want to give a little shout out to a company at the start of the video, and that company is Louisa. If you guys have watched my videos for a while, you will know that I have worked with Louisa for a really long time now, and I'm so grateful because I've seen them from, you know, the basic packaging side to now where they've really just improved everything, and it's so lovely to see, and their products are just incredible. I honestly love them with my whole heart, and their jewelry pieces are just so fun and unique, and I love it so much. So this part of the video is just a little shout out for them. It is not sponsored, but they did gift me these products. I just can't wait to share them with you. So for November, they have a up to 30% off sale, which is the perfect time to grab some Christmas presents. I know my mum loves the Louisa jewelry, so it's a really lovely thing to do, especially if you don't know what to get somebody as a gift. Jewelry never disappoints. So they ever so kindly sent me 4 items from their range, and I am so excited about these items, guys. I did have a little peek and I'm so excited. There's 4 things in here and I cannot wait to share them with you. So I'm just going to open them one at a time and show you what I got. So when you order from Louisa, all the pieces come in these beautiful little kind of pouches, which you could definitely use for, I don't know, like I feel like you could use these for like change or for bobby pins or just stuff that you put in your handbag or in your pocket that just like gets lost. Do you know what I mean? I feel like these are really good and handy to have. So the first thing I picked off of their website was a ring. I love this ring so much. It's so beautiful. This is the May ring in dark blue. I got mine in a size 7, so my fingers are relatively small, but I find a size 7 fits my pointer finger really well. So this is what it looks like. It's the most gorgeous gold ring with this deep blue stone in the middle. It's so beautiful. As soon as I saw it on the website, I was like, I need to take that. That is so stunning. And it fits my pointer finger perfectly. And I just love how dainty it is. Like, you could definitely layer that. So that was the first item I picked. Of course, I then had to follow it up with the matching necklace. This again is called the May necklace in dark blue. I just love the detail of the stone. I think it's so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it in the light very well, but it's the most stunning shade of blue and I love it. I think to layer these necklaces, it just looks beautiful. The next one is a little bit more of a chunky piece. This is the Danielle necklace. So beautiful. It's this lovely gold star necklace and I absolutely love the clasp of this. I think it's so fun and different, and it reminds me of like the, is it Tiffany necklaces, you know, where they have that kind of clasp? I think it's so fun and different, and again I loved the star sort of detail on this one, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I love that. And last but not least, I think is my favorite one, and I was so grateful and excited to see that they'd gifted me this one. This is the Ocean necklace. Now this one is actually in collaboration with a YouTuber called Ocean ASMR. I saw one of her videos where she was wearing this and I fell in love with it, but I just had to pick it. It's so lovely. So this is a really beautiful kind of seashell necklace with a green sort of stone, and then you've got the pearl as well. It's just so lovely, and I love the kind of 3 charms on there. I think that's so fun and unique. I'm obsessed. I think this has to be my favourite item, but I love them all. As I said, I absolutely love Ana Luisa. You guys know this by now. I am very, very honest about my opinions on brands and the quality of everything, and I have never found any of my Ana Luisa jewellery to tarnish or go horrible or be uncomfortable or anything like that. It lasts so incredibly well, and my jewelry box now is thriving. I am so excited. So thank you so much, Ana Luisa. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to wear all these pieces for a very long time to come because they are all beautiful. So now let's dive into the Lush Kitchen box. From what I know and from what spoilers I've kind of read and seen, I believe every product in this box is limited to this box, so you are not going to be able to buy them. They have never been made before. I love that. That is what I want in every box. That is what I would love for every single box to be. So let's dive in and see what we have. Ooh! So this is what's inside. It says our most exclusive box ever. I am so excited. Look how beautiful that is. That's lovely. That makes some nice wrapping paper. So let's dive into the products. The first item we have, oh, okay, this is the Tropical Commingle Body Scrub. It says soften up with natural exfoliants, moisturizing butters, and that is a tongue twister, and an irresistible pineapple scent. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm definitely more of a strawberry and cream kind of gal rather than like a mango pineapple kind of gal. However, that looks edible. Oh my goodness, look how stunning that looks. That looks incredible. Oh my God, that smells insane. That smells like a tropical gel pen. Do you know what I mean? Like pineapple, just straight up pineapple. That smells incredible. I am so excited about that. Like I kind of wish it was a larger pot, but that smells insane. That smells delicious. I wish smell-o-vision worked because I would love for you to be able to smell it. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got bamboo stem extract, cypress leaf infusion, almond oil, Brazil nut oil, shea butter, capucci butter, buchu oil, wild orange oil, cocoa butter, fresh pineapple juice. It smells insane. Like this smells just pure pineapple. It's so good. What a great start. 10 out of 10 Lush, fantastic job. So the next item in the box is the Espresso Lip Scrub. If you guys don't know me, then you will not know that I am obsessed with coffee, to the point where I could easily have 10 cups of coffee a day and like not even blink about it. I love coffee so much. Okay, so ingredients wise in this one we have got sugar, jojoba oil and coffee oil. I am so excited. Am I gonna have to taste it? Yes, I am. Okay, I'm gonna sound dumb when I say that that literally just smells like fresh coffee, because obviously it's gonna smell like fresh coffee. Oh my God, it's like sugar and coffee mixed together. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna try and put it close to you guys so you can see without me spilling it, but that's what it looks like. Oh my God, that tastes, that's a dangerous game. That tastes incredible. Oh my goodness, I honestly love that. I'm gonna be so upset when I finish this because that tastes insane. Coffee lovers out there, when Lush ever release this, if they do, buy 12. Trust me, it is so good. Incredible. I am floored. I'd be happy with that. Let's just stop there. So next up we have got a bottle. This is the Peachy Rose Body Lotion. Light and lovely with fresh rose petal infusion and fair trade organic cocoa butter to soften and soothe skin. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got rose petal infusion, almond oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, rose oil, neroli oil, jasmine oil, lemongrass oil. This is what it looks like. So beautiful. I love the packaging. I think that's so stunning. I love it when they put little details on the packaging, like something a little bit different. I think it makes it a bit more special. Let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. Wait, that smells expensive. That smells like a really expensive perfume. That smells delicious. Oh my God, that's so good. It kind of smells, it's hard for me to describe it in a very normal manner. You guys know this by now, but it just smells like a very expensive rose perfume. Like if you went to Tom Ford and bought like a rose perfume, I could imagine it smelling like this. That is delicious. I love that. I'm so excited. Oh, this box is so good. I don't want it to end. Okay, next up. Ooh, okay, what is this? Ooh, ooh, okay. I'm just saying ooh, and you guys can't even see it. So this is the Passion Fruit Exfoliating Shower Gel, and on the front it says, our first ever scrubby shower gel with crushed passion fruit seeds in a glycerin, as in the vegetable glycerin, rich base for soft radiant skin. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got fine sea salt, orange peel, passion fruit seed powder, sweet wild orange oil, buchu oil, kibea oil, papaya juice. This is what it looks like. How fun and different is that? Like, you can see all the seeds inside. That is so fun. I cannot wait to smell this. I'm so excited. Okay, let's smell it. Oh my god. It smells like kind of watermelony, but not. That is delicious. Oh my god. That's heaven. That is so good. It's just like a tropical, like, imagine if you ordered a tropical smoothie. That is what that smells like. That is so incredibly delicious. I am honestly, this box, I am absolutely loving it. It is so good. I think we only have one item left though, which really upsets me, but this box, worth it. Incredible. So the last item we have in the box is something which is kind of oily, so we're going to pick it up very quickly. It is this. This is the oat milk latte body scrub. If this smells like coffee, I'm going to be deceased. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is cocoa butter, coffee oil, shea butter, agave syrup, ground almonds, coffee butter, oat milk powder. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys know that Cup of Coffee face mask is like one of my ride or die products. I love it so much. Purely for the smell. I love the smell. This is kind of like that. Oh my goodness. That smells incredible. The only downfall about these products, I feel like, is we've got a lot of scrubs. However, oh, we have 3 scrubs. Okay. Like, that's the only thing that I'm kind of a bit like, about. Like, it's 3 body scrubs, but oh my god, for the smell, that's heaven. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie to you. This is my favorite Lush box ever, and I'm saying it now. I am putting it on camera. It's official. This is the most incredible Lush Kitchen box I have ever had ever, because I just love the exclusiveness of it. It makes it so much more exciting, and I would love to see this more often. I know it's probably a lot of work because you have to come up with like new products every time, but it's so good. So good. I can't even decide what my favorite thing is because it's just, everything is amazing. This is delicious, but this is incredible. I love it all. I love it all. 10 out of 10. Amazing job, Lush. So that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I would love to know down below, did you receive this month's box? Did you wish you received this month's box? What was your favorite item? Let me know down below. And also, as I said at the beginning of the video, thank you so much, Louisa, for sending me some amazing products to promote your incredible sale for November. It's up to 30% off. All the links and everything like that will be down in the description, so make sure you go and check them out. Their jewelry is, again, incredible. I think it's so beautiful, and I highly recommend it, and you can put some on your Christmas list. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.